Hello and welcome to the Home Bookkeeper YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Emily and I work from home as a bookkeeper using QuickBooks Online. I started bookkeeping a long time ago, but I started my own bookkeeping company when I needed flexibility as a solo parent. Corporate finance just didn't give me that. So I took the knowledge and experience I already had and paved my own path, creating a career that works for me instead of the other way around. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same. I'll cover what a home bookkeeper actually does, how to use QuickBooks Online, how to get your first clients, and how to grow this and turn it into a real business. So let's go ahead and dive in. So let's start simple. What does a bookkeeper actually do? Think of us as financial organizers for small businesses. We track income and expenses, reconcile bank accounts, and prepare financial reports for business owners so that they can see what's really going on with their money. Now, bookkeepers do not usually file taxes. That's for accountants or EAs. But they do make sure everything is neat and ready for tax season. And honestly, it's like managing a really detailed household budget, just for a business. So if you can meal plan for a family, go to the grocery store, manage a budget and stay on budget, and follow a recipe, I'm pretty sure you can be a bookkeeper. Another question I get asked a lot about my bookkeeping business is why QuickBooks Online? Well, the answer is really simple. It's the #1 bookkeeping software for small businesses. That means if you learn it, you're instantly more hireable. QuickBooks Online is also cloud-based, so you can work from anywhere. It connects directly to bank accounts and credit cards, which means no more manual data entry. And the best part, most business owners already use QuickBooks, so they feel comfortable hiring someone who's knowledgeable in the platform. Now, here's the part I think a lot of people really overcomplicate. You don't need to be a CPA or some kind of math genius to be a bookkeeper. Here's what you actually need. You just need to be comfortable with software and spreadsheets. You have to have a great attention to detail and really good organizational skills. And communication skills are a must, especially if you are planning to work remotely, since you're going to be communicating a lot with your clients over emails and conference calls. And that's pretty much it. If you can balance your checkbook or a home budget, then you can absolutely learn how to be a bookkeeper. All right, let's go ahead and jump into QuickBooks Online itself so you can see how easy it is to get started. The first thing you're going to do is sign up for a QuickBooks Online accountant profile. Now, I know it says accountant, but this is what you're going to be using to run your bookkeeping business. Once you set up your QuickBooks Online accountant profile, you'll be able to sign up for what is called the Pro Advisor Certification course. These are online, self-paced, QuickBooks taught tutorials on how to use the software. They are completely free, and at the end, you get a Pro Advisor certification that you can show your potential clients. Now let's talk about clients. This is usually where people freeze up, but honestly, it doesn't have to be scary. There are loads of ways to find your very first clients. You can try freelance websites like Upwork or Fiverr. You can search local businesses or local business registries. Think your neighborhood gym, salon, or coffee shop. You can even search or advertise in Facebook groups. Or you can meet people by attending local networking events. And here's my secret. Start small. Offer a starter package like monthly bank reconciliation and reports for an affordable price. Once you deliver value, clients will stick with you and refer you to their friends. As you gain experience, your rates can go from $20 to $30 an hour for a beginner to over $50 to $75 an hour as an experienced bookkeeper. You can also specialize. So if you have an industry that you're really interested in, think about carving that out as a niche. For example, I know bookkeepers who only work with real estate agents or e-commerce businesses or online coaches. When you niche down, you can charge more because you're an expert in that world. I have done something very similar with my experience in Airbnb and real estate. So let me know in the comments what you think your niche would be. And there you have it, your roadmap to becoming a home bookkeeper with QuickBooks Online. Feel free to check out any of my other videos on how to learn the basics of bookkeeping. Don't forget, once you sign up for your QuickBooks Online accountant profile, to go ahead and play around inside to get comfortable. You can practice your bookkeeping skills in the QuickBooks Online Accountant Sample Company, and you can find your first clients through freelancing or local business registries. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe for more home bookkeeper tips, and let me know in the comments, are you thinking about starting your own bookkeeping business? If you are, I'd love to hear your story. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.